I, Megha Srivastava, welcome you all, my Instagram family, on behalf of Dhanguard and My Banker. So, in our previous video, we discussed a lot about credit cards, how you can apply for your credit card, what features you can get in your credit card, and all the mandatory things we discussed before, uh, like all the mandatory things for you guys to check before applying for a credit card, and what things are there you should take care before applying and after applying for a credit card. So today in this video, we're going to discuss, is there any grace period for credit card in the UAE? So let's talk in detail about each and everything about grace period. So the very first thing, let's understand in detail what is grace period for the credit card. Let's talk in a very layman language. So it's just a time frame provided by a credit card issuer, the credit card provider company, during which cardholders can pay their installments without any interest rates, without any interest being charged on them. So it's just a time period after the balance paying cycle when they can pay their interest installments, sorry, not interest but installments, they can pay their installments without any interest charged on them. So this is the grace period, and before applying for any credit card in UAE, you should check about the credit card whether they allowing you to provide it with a grace period or not. So in UAE, most of the card holders provide card providers, banks, and everywhere grace period is provided by them. So you just need to check for which card there is grace period, for which card there is grace period or not. There is some particular duration for the grace period. It's around 15 to 20 days. Some banks provide 15 to 20 days of grace period. Some banks provide around 1 month also. So before applying for a credit card, you just need to check like, is there any grace period or not on your credit card, the particular credit card which you are applying? And if there is any grace period, then what is the time duration they allowing you to pay? So if you can check, if you are applying by your own, you can check directly. If you are taking help of any vendor or anyone else or any card providing company, financial brokers, you can ask them directly also. That just suggests me some credit card where grace period is allowed, and grace period of 15-20 days is more than enough for you for being pay your installments. So let's understand what happen if you go beyond the grace period. Like we all know, the credit card makes our life more easier. So it is our responsibility to make the payment on time, on the due dates, and if not on the due dates, so it's our responsibility to make the payment within the grace period. We should not go beyond the grace period, and our main motto or target is to pay by the due date only, so that our credit score will be good. Because at the end, we are not only limited, we don't want, like you, anyone don't want to be limited only on one credit card. It's just like if you have any credit card and you have good credit score, you can go for any other credit cards also. You can hold 2 3 multiple credit cards you can hold in UAE, and you can take benefits from all the credit cards. So every card have different features, different benefits. You can avail all the benefits at the same time by just having good credit score. And for maintaining good credit score, your credit payment should be on time, actually must be on time. So just like try to make your payments on time within the due date, or not, or just within the grace period. Don't go beyond the grace period, because if you are going beyond the grace period, your credit score will be hampered definitely. And once you started hampering your credit score, your credit bureau, then it is very difficult for you to get the new credit card or any other financial service at a very ease. So if you have a good credit score, it is very easy for you to get a new credit card, and any other financial service will be at the tip of your finger for sure. So this is about grace period. I hope grace period is little bit clear to you. And if you are not going to pay within the grace period, what can happen? It's clear, I guess, clear with everyone. So it is very mandatory to focus on your installment, on your payments within the due date, within the grace period. Now, the one thing I would like to discuss, there is features. So when you're applying for a credit card, all the features, all benefits are written over there. You can just go online also. You can check everything there. Everything is written point by point there. All your features, all your charges, your benefits, their terms and conditions, everything is there online. You just need to go and surf little bit. And if not, if you have someone like us, like my banker, you can definitely come to us and we will help you out to uh, get your credit card done with a good features what you can avail. And we will help you to understand the features in a very detailed. We will help you to understand the terms and conditions in a very detailed manner. So it is very mandatory. Like, I would really suggest you guys to go and check the terms and conditions in a very precise. So for every credit card, there is some terms and conditions. You should go and read the terms and conditions for sure. So terms and conditions is very clear with all the cash advance facility, fees, charges, any hidden fees, charges is not there or not. So you just have to go there. And like, if you have a credit card, then if in future you are going to avail for a cash advance, then what are the benefits you can get, what hidden charges you are being allowed on the credit card. So everything is mentioned in terms and conditions. So it is very mandatory. Like, I would really suggest to everyone to check the terms and conditions, features, benefits, and hidden charges, and everything that is mentioned on Google everywhere before applying for a credit card, so that it's very clear for you also, for your future also, that if you are using any credit card, what features are there, what features you can avail on your credit card, and is there any charges, hidden charges or not. So you can check everything is very cut to clear on Google and everywhere, on websites also. So if you're looking for a particular bank credit card, you can definitely go on the bank site on credit card section, and you can check every single thing. Now let's check about, like, many times people are not aware about what features they are having on a credit card. So many time I came across with my clients, they already have a credit card, but they don't know about the benefits what they can avail on a credit card. So credit cards have different features and very good features. Just try to avail all the features and use them, so that you can make proper use of your credit card. And if you are having any problem in getting a proper knowledge about credit card, we are already here to help you out in every possible way. So I'm just trying to encourage you all to just go directly and question your credit card providing company or bank, to check your grace period, to check each and every benefits, to check the payments, terms and conditions, and everything. So yeah, this is all about the grace period and what benefits you can avail, and like what duration is there which is allowed by the bank, by the financial companies for you to for you guys to get relaxed for your installments. So I hope things are getting a little bit clear to you. We'll discuss more in our next video. Stay tuned with me. Thank you so much for connecting.